If you're looking for high quality server power cables, you should check out the Veteran Miner. I love these cables. They look really good, very well put together, good quality. Like the branding on the cable itself. We get to see the gauge of the wire right here. It's heat strength on both ends. On this side, we have our 8-pin. On the opposite, we have the 6-pin server where you connect to your breakout board, and it's just great quality. It's even a little bit longer than what a normal server power supply cable would provide, which would end about right here, so you get an extra maybe 7 to 8 inches, and it's in the colors of the SerpentX logo, so I really do love it. And Veteran Miner, I thank you so much for making this happen. Gonna swap these out to make my mining rig look just that much better.